Alright guys, so here is our new little duckies. There's 4 of them. Don't know if they are boys or girls just yet, but I got a feeling there's a couple girls in there. Hopefully. I just changed that water out not too long ago and they've already dirtied it up again. This is the new cage we made for them. Got a new little house for them. That'll hold them in, let them grow. Here is the last 2 of the chickens from the last video y'all seen. This is Penguin, this one's Fluffy, or if it's actually a girl, it will be probably Betty White, but I'm going with Fluffy for now. So, I made a cage for them. Here is our older duckies. Those 2 are males. They can't be with the 3 female, especially the darker brown tan one. It will attack these 3 to death. Put up a new fencing, should protect them, keep them in. Cleaned up the dirt path for them to be in. Got another fencing. Got more baby chicks over there in the other cage. We haven't named these guys yet, but they are very, very pretty. And as for these 2 will probably be going away very soon. We're not going to keep these. We're going to keep those. And probably the others that are in the big cage that are still babies. Fluffy, there, buddy. Actually doing pretty well. The last batch that you've seen before, that were these 2 that we're with, actually ended up all dying. This is the only 2 we got left, but I do like the fond of having baby ducks around. Very, very pretty when they're little. So, for now, like, share, subscribe, follow TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.